The screw support installation robot is mainly suitable for the screw hanger installation operations of air ducts, power line troughs, and lighter water pipes related to electromechanical installation projects in underground garages. It has functions such as line patrol positioning, automatic drilling, automatic loading, steel bar avoidance, safe obstacle stop, fault alarm, etc. By setting the robot mode, it can meet different construction processes. This robot offers unparalleled advantages, such as blazing efficiency. Why settle for less when you can achieve more? With a construction efficiency of 30 bolts per hour, this powerhouse operates 3 times faster than traditional methods. Boost productivity and get the job done in record time. Precision perfect quality. Say goodbye to inconsistencies. This robot ensures consistent torque on every expansion bolt, delivering stable, reliable installation quality you can trust. Elevated safety. Protect your team while you build. By handling high-risk operations, the robot minimizes labor intensity and keeps workers safe, giving you peace of mind on every project. Environmentally responsible. Care for your team and the planet. With advanced dust collection and exhaust systems, this robot reduces pollution and lowers the risk of occupational diseases, creating a cleaner, safer job site. Full automation. Welcome to effortless construction. With smart automation features, this robot does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on delivering exceptional results. Faster, safer, smarter, cleaner. This is the future of construction. Don't get left behind. So what are you waiting for? Order now.